Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to recover Instagram password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Instagram application. If you don't have that, you can install that from Play Store. Once it is installed, open up, and from this interface, enter your username or email or mobile number associated with Instagram, and under that you have to type in your password. But since we have forgotten our password, so click on the link provided below login button, that is forgot password. That will land you on this page. In here you have to enter your email or username or mobile number again in order to find your account. Here I will go with my email. After that, tap on find account, and then you will be able to create a new password. So create a password with at least 6 characters. Make sure you remember your password, and if you want to log out of all the other devices that you have logged in, you can simply tap on log out of other device under the continue option, or if you want to go without that, simply tap on continue. And after that, your account password will be changed, and then you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can recover Instagram password. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.